There are several important parts of the screen that needs to be identified before we continue. First, the left side of the screen consists of several tab bands that provide very important information regarding your model. The first tab here, called the Feature Manager, lists all features that have been created within your module. This tab is extremely important as it will be from here that you select and change features once they have been created. You can access features using this Explorer window, and we commonly call this window a features or feature manager. The second tab, as you can see here, this tab, called the Property Manager, allows you to adjust the properties of various entities either during construction or once it has been created. Note that generally you will not need to manually change the tab on the Manager window. Okay. The third tab here is called the Configuration Manager and is used to set up different views configurations such as exploded views or 3D section views. Usually this will be used once the part has been created and you wish to set up specific configuration for visualization. So you won't use it while creating the part, but once you're done creating that part, you can use this to specify configurations for how you want your bar to be viewed. There may also be other tabs visible in the Manager window. Generally, anytime you load an additional SolidWorks module such as PhotoWorks, Cosmos Motion, or Cosmos Work, it will create a new tab in this window. So any tab that will be added here will be relative or related to a module that you added to your SolidWorks window. We can view these tabs by going here to that window. As you can see, this is our Feature Manager. You can access any of the panels here. You can access the material type here and edit the material type that you want to use with your part. You can choose steel, iron, wood, rubber, or any type of material. You can also view sensors, history of your work, annotations. You can get back to the origin of the design. As you can see here, when we click, there is a circle appears in the middle of the screen. This is our Property Manager. Here we can edit the property of our bar. This is our Configuration Manager. As we said earlier, this one is our DIM Expert Manager, and this is our Display Manager. As you can see, these will be used when you create your bar and you want to specify a few properties and make them permanent as how you want your bar to be visualized, or any additional configuration that you wish. Okay, since we explained this part, let's explain the toolbar in the middle here or in the bottom of the screen. This is our model window where we will create our element. This is our 3D view. Here we can make a 3D view of our part and capture that 3D view for documentation purposes. This is our motion study window where we can move our part in any way that we want. We will explain this in more details in the coming lessons. That's it for this toolbar. See you next lesson.